Today we'll talk about how can you find this list or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications and messages here. Then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to custom stock alerts, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find custom stock alerts in this list. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,